I'm going to talk about WNT 10 Energy Relief Patches launched by WNT, and we are very proud that it is in the pre-launch phase now in India, and it has been in the soft launch phase for almost 2 months, and we have got miraculous results. People have got a lot of benefit by using these pain relief patches. Let me just give you a brief about what these patches are. These patches are work on quantum science based on biomagnetic frequency. When we place these patches on a particular meridian line or in the area of pain, we get relief through the technology which is imbibed in it, and the technology is called the quantum healing technology, which is a new science and completely unknown to a lot of people. So this video we are making to make you aware that how to use and reuse these WNT relief patches. For that I would need a volunteer, so I'll just invite Trishla here on the screen. Yes, Trishla. So as we can see that in this relief patches, what does it help for? It helps in pain relief, discomfort relief, minor injuries and increased circulation, any kind of increased circulation or a minor injury. Just few days back, one of my friend was playing cricket, and in the ground he fell while taking the run. He got run out, and he got severely injured in his arm. It got scratches. He went to the hospital for dressing and all, but he had that pain and he did not want to take the painkiller. So we just applied one patch, and within 5 minutes the pain was gone. So I'm just making this video to make you understand how to use and reuse these patches. For an example, let's say Trishla has pain here on this part of her elbow, and what I do, I just peel this patch, the pain relief patch, and apply it on the area of pain. Remember, this patch has to be applied only on the area of pain. Now there are 3-4 cases. So let's say the area of pain is only this much, so one patch is enough. But let's say the area of pain is the entire hand from here to here, then maybe you can apply 3 patches or 2 patches. So people ask me how many patches I have to use. So it depends on the area. Now let's say she also has pain on her other arm, so she has to apply patches here as well. So one patch is designed to heal off approximately an area of your hand. So it can work on this area. So if you have pain in the larger surface, then apply 2 or more patches. Now the best way to use the relief patches, now for the first time, yes, you can use it without using a surgical tape, but let's say she wants to reuse it. So if she wants to reuse it, she just have to apply a surgical tape on top of this patch. Now just take a surgical tape and just place the surgical tape on top of this patch. So even now, if she can take bath, or if she is exposed to water, it will be still safe. Now people ask me another question: how long do we have to keep this patch? Now understand, if this is because of a minor injury, then you can keep the patch for a day. Let's say you have a regular pain which is from a long time, or somebody has a pain, no spondylitis, or had a back pain from a long time. So we would recommend use this patch for 3 days on a stretch, or 4 days or 5 days on a stretch. And if you are exposed to water, if you have to take bath, then what you have to do is you have to peel it off. Now peel it off, and then again after the bath you can just apply it back on the area. And some people also say that, okay, I applied the patch and the pain was gone, but as soon as I removed the patch, the pain came back. Understand, it is not meant for cure, number 1. Number 2, if the pain went out, you should not remove it immediately. Keep it there for 3 to 4 days minimum, so that the entire blockage can be removed properly. The patches works properly if you keep it for 3 to 4 days. If you have a pain which is from a long time. But if there is some kind of discomfort pain, yes, you can use it for a day, and then again reuse. Just remove the patches along with this and paste it back on this leaf which you get along with the patches at the back side, and it is safe now. So now this patch can be literally used, if you have used it wisely, it can be literally used for 7 days as well, or 7 times as well. There are people who have been using the same patch for 6 days or 7 days, so it makes it much more cost effective. Now about the 3 important things, as we always say, these patches are very much required for if you especially if you don't want to have drugs or chemical getting into your body. So you can use these patches, which are, as written here, it is non-invasive, non-transdermal, no drugs and no chemical. The three things which you have to take care of is hydration, which you have to hydrate your body. You have to drink a lot of water, maybe 4 to 5 liters of water in a day. Then you have to take care of the location. For relief patches, the location is the area of pain, and then is the duration. As I have already discussed about duration, duration is depending on what kind of pain you have, but the optimum use and the maximum use of these patches is when you use it for 3 days on a stretch, and it can be reused if you use a surgical tape. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. If you have any questions, write down in the comment and I will get back to you. Take care. Bye-bye.